Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling camera access for Instagram on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to and tap on Instagram. In Instagram settings, you can switch the camera toggle on and off. When camera access is enabled, the toggle will be green, and when the toggle is grey, the camera access is disabled. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.